I have one of those billet grills on eBay. You know, they're $50. Looks nice. Stick it on there. I've got a new one because I don't like this one. I cracked one of these tabs in the back, and that's why there's a huge gap right here. But with the new thing, it should clip in right place. And then also my original one, I've got major cracking right here that could come off like the next time I take it off or something. And this side started as well too. So I just found a new one. Guy sold it to me for $100. You know, this one looks pretty clean. I only see really one issue with it right there, but I get a big enough washer and I'll be fine. I just have the original markers. I'll put on mine, and then I just gotta clean up this grill real nice once I take that off. So this is a bolt-on unit. It's pretty simple to install. It does come with instructions from my the eBay seller. I don't remember where I actually got it from. But before I clean this up, I'm gonna cut it out, Dremel, and a cutoff wheel. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I want to cut right at the edge of every seam, okay? That's what you're looking for. And honestly, it might be with, since I have a Dremel that goes this angle like this, instead of straight down, like a Sawzall, probably might be easier to cut through it around the middle. And then that way I can stick this down and in and get right up next to it. That's what I'm going to do real quick. Using the cutoff wheel with the Dremel, this is step one. Gotta get it nice and close. That way I can take my Dremel, now I can go in from here right over and get it real tight. I'm gonna do that all the way around real quick. Just finished up making my final cuts. As you see, there's different colors now, so you either, if you're happy with how close you got this, you can either mask off the chrome and just spray it black real quick, or if you got some sandpaper like 80 or 120 or maybe probably 220 would be fine. Just run your finger through this, make it nice and smooth. If you're going for a real nice finish. Cleaned it up. I've sanded it. I've put before I paint this black, I've set the grill in place, and I've marked its mounting holes, and I gotta drill this one. And down here, since you've got this little piece that can kind of swivel, it's not quite as important to get it exactly on. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill these two holes, set it in there, you know, put the screws through, and honestly, I think it would be a lot better with instead of screws, with these backing things with the proper nut and bolt, at least in my opinion. But I suppose I could always go find some nuts and bolts and put them in there if I wanted to do that. But these guys are gonna sit like this. They're gonna mount down here. So this piece over here is gonna be going through the bottom of this plastic, while this actually connects to the grill. But to get that kind of straight, I'm just gonna mount the top two, put it in there, and then do it while it's in. So as you see right here, I just finished briefly polishing the edge chrome. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of think this would look a lot better if the chrome edge here was painted body color to match. So that if I painted this red, or whatever color your truck is, I honestly think that would make it look a lot better. Maybe I should have gotten a black one. Maybe that would have been better. But oh well. Next grill I get, I'll try painting this black. But this is how it went. These screws, looks like that. I could have used the washer, but I don't plan on ever taking it off. So. But hey, this is gonna work and ain't going nowhere. holding it up for a close. Honestly, I think it would have looked a lot better if I had a black grill, gotten a black stainless steel. And I don't say that because the chrome is still chrome and not painted red. If it was red, I think I might think differently, but I don't know. We'll see. That's what she looks like. What do you think? I don't know, now I feel like there's too much chrome up there. Too much shine. Looks different though. Well, that's where it'll be for at least a little while.